Welcome back. As a part of our conceptual class, we understood how cross joins work. As you know, cross joins will join every single row in the left data frame to every single row in the right data frame. Let us take an example and try to understand how the cross joins work. I presume you would have already created the data frame person and graduate program. If you haven't, please do so. Now let me show you the person data frame and graduate program data frame. So these are the two data frames. The way we can do the cross join is I will say person dot cross join and then provide the name of the another data frame, that is graduate program. As we discussed, every row of one particular data frame would be matched with the other data frame. As I indicated, every row of one data frame will be combined with each row of another data frame. Let me go ahead and execute this, then you will get to see. There you go. You can see we have 3 records here in the person data frame. Another 3 records are there in the graduate program data frame. So when we take a Cartesian product of these two data frames, it will be 9 rows. You can see there are 9 rows which are there as a part of the resultant data frame. As we have already discussed, you got to be really careful while using the cross joins. You need to use it only it is necessary. Otherwise, you may end up having a out of memory errors because we would be dealing with the millions of records. When millions of records are cross joined with another millions of record, the outcome or the resultant data frame is going to be too huge. So you got to be careful while using the cross join. And one more aspect here is we can also use a join expression and the cross join. Let us see how the resultant data frame looks like if we use the cross join along with the join expression here. So let me first go ahead and execute this, and then I will go ahead and execute this, and you can see what would be the difference. I'm using a join expression and the cross join. You can see in this case, even though we are using a join type as the cross join, yet the resultant data frame after cross join is not having the Cartesian product. So whenever we are using a join expression along with the cross join, join expression overtakes that. Okay, that is also one of the important thing to bear in mind. Wonderful then. Please practice the cross join and get a hang of it.